Good morning. My name is Chris Brown from Morgans Financial. We're here on the second day of the Noosa Mining and Exploration Conference, and I'm with Tony Schreck, who's the Managing Director of Pacgold, Australian-listed gold exploration company operating in North Queensland. Tony, can you tell us what's Pacgold doing at the moment?
Sure, Chris. Pacgold, we listed on the ASX just over 12 months ago, and in the course of the very first drill program, we hit some quite spectacular high-grade drill results. And so on the back of that, we were actually the best performing gold IPO on the ASX last year. And so we're well cashed up at the moment. We put our quarterly out this morning. We've got $11 million in cash, and we've got 2 drilling rigs on site at the moment, targeting this new high-grade discovery zone. So we expect to see some really nice, quite a strong news flow on the back of the two drill rigs that are drilling.
And whereabouts are you drilling?
Yeah, with the gold projects in far North Queensland. So it's situated on an historical gold field, and the opportunity for us has been that this gold field's been essentially overlooked for over 20 years. And so we've come in here with modern exploration, new ideas, and we've been quite successful in a very short period of time.
When you say high grade, what sort of numbers are you talking about in your drilling so far?
Yeah, so the drill results we put out earlier this year were 17 metres at 9.3, and it's still only quite shallow. We're still about 200 metres below surface. So the current drill program that we're embarking on at the moment, we're going to extend and test those zones down to approximately 500 metres depth.
And Tony, it's quite a regional structure. What are the old workings over, and what strike length are you testing?
Yeah, the focus for us is over a 7 kilometre long zone, and we've generated 3 main target zones there: the northern, central and southern target. The high grade mineralisation that we've intersected in the first drilling is really focused on the central target, but that 7 kilometre long zone sits within a 30 kilometre long corridor that's it's got a number of historical prospects, and there's a lot of shallow sand cover that masks the majority of that structure. And part of the success we've had is using IP geophysics, and that's been really successful in defining the ore carrying high grade shear zone that we can map out.
And can I ask you about traditional owners in that part of the world?
Yeah, we've got a strong relationship with TOs. We work with the Okla people in that part of the world, and we do clearances, and we have agreements, so that all goes very smoothly.
And that part of the world is known to be a bit seasonal in terms of the weather. How long do you expect to be able to keep drilling?
Last year we drilled right through to the end of December, and it was just the holiday break that we took a break. But this year we plan to drill right through till December, and then we'll make a decision then if we plan to drill through the wet, because we've got reasonably good access and we've got an all-weather airstrip. So the option of drilling right through the wet is something that we can manage.
So news flow from the drilling for the next 6 to 9 to 12 months, and how long is it taking you to get assays back from the laboratory now?
Yeah, it's still the 6 to 8 weeks, which is what it is. But we should be getting our first results shortly, and then we'll have constant news flow right through until sort of February, March next year. So yeah, with two drill rigs double shifting at the moment, 2 diamond rigs. So that should knock out a fair bit of news.
Thanks, Tony. Pacgold, as I said, ASX, PGO, exploring in North Queensland, high-grade gold. I think it's a good structural gold story, and it's got substantial upside along with some of the others that I talk about. Thanks very much again.